The second question of the final exam involve a trigonometry, the second example. So we want to find the limit of sine 5 theta time over theta. And for this calculation, you can try to think about those three methods for limit calculation and figure out which one is useful here. First, we can try the numerical solution. That is, if theta is approaching 0, all right, x should write theta. If theta is approaching 0, then the theta is a number that has the value gradually approaching 0. So we try to see how that happens if theta taking on a number that's close to 0. So you can pick any number that's almost 0. I pick theta equal to 0.01. So now 5 theta become 5 times 0.01. You can calculate sine 5 times 0.01. Make sure you have the appropriate parentheses divided by theta. Theta is 0.01 here. So this calculation, you use your calculator, you're going to get 4.99979. So that is, of course, not the exact answer for the limit calculation, but it's quite close. So we pick a number that's really, really small and almost 0. So I think the answer to the limit calculation should be 5. So the numerical calculation is not giving you the exact answer, but it's making it possible for you to explore, like, where are we getting close to? You can try another number such as like a negative 0.01, or you can try a number like 0.0001. So to see how the number is changing, I bet it's going to be even closer to 5. So the number that every time you try a different number, the limit is being, or the value is being a different number, but they all should be closer to a single number. In this case, it should be 5. So this is how you can explore using numbers, explore the value of the limit to figure out roughly where the tendency of the function is going to. All right, so let's try to use a number to figure out the limit. Or you can use an algebraic method. In this case, when theta approaching 0, numerator approaching 0, denominator approaching 0. So this is again a 0 divided by 0 limit. When that happens, you can use L'Hopital to calculate it. Again, L'Hopital is not helping you calculating it. It allows you to rewrite it. So we would find the derivative of theta. Theta is a variable, so derivative equal to 1. Then we find the derivative of sine 5 theta. Derivative sine is cosine, but the inside function is 5 theta. Derivative of 5 theta is 5. So we multiply the two based on the chain rule. So now we have this new limit calculation. The beginning limit calculation equal to the new limit calculation when theta approaching 0. We want to find the limit of 5 times cosine 5 theta. This limit, if you make theta equal to 0, there's no issue because denominator is 1 now. So we calculate this. All right, plug in theta equal to 0. 5 times 0 is 0, so we have 5 cosine 0 in the numerator. We have 1 in the denominator. Cosine 0 equal to 1. So the numerator is 5 times 1. The whole limit calculation equal to 5. That's our second example.